Hello my friends, welcome back to another weekly vlog. Today it is actually Tuesday and I'm starting the vlog today because I did a daily vlog yesterday which you guys should have already seen. So if you haven't seen that, check it out. I kind of just did 24 hours in my life rather than like a whole week to give you a bit more detail about what a day looks like for me rather than just like 2 minutes from each day. But I came home from work to a very exciting package today and that is this. I bought myself an Apple Watch. I only bought the Series 3, like it's not one of the brand new ones, but the Series 3 did everything that I wanted it to do, so I didn't want to spend like heaps and heaps of money if I didn't have to. Basically, if you guys have been following along, I've been wearing a Fitbit for only about a month, but it has broken so many times and I got really frustrated and kind of ordered this out of impulse, but I have been wanting it, so I don't think I'm gonna regret it. But I thought it would be fun to do a bit of an unboxing for you guys, so enjoy this. Hopefully it's quite satisfying for you. Ooh. I have to charge it, but ooh, looks nice in here. Is that the charger? Mm-hmm. Oh, and this is a longer strap. Oh. Oh, this is not satisfying. Let's charge it up, baby. I've been playing around with my Apple Watch and I'm kind of starting to figure things out, but I also had some work to do. So I've done that and now I have a bit of time to myself. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do. I think I'm going to take off my makeup and either do some meal prep or get ahead on some editing because I'll have to do it later in the week if I don't do it now. Well, both of those things I'll have to do later in the week if I don't do them now. So I'm just going to take off my makeup because it's not real cute anymore. I basically decided to do neither of the things I told you I was going to do and instead just clean my room, make some dinner and do some colouring in while I watch some Gilmore Girls. I only have about 20 minutes till I have to leave to go see Liam anyway. Good morning guys, happy Wednesday. I'm about to head off to work, but here is my outfit of the day. I haven't put my shoes on yet, but I'm just wearing a black long sleeve, black jeans and my denim jacket. It has also been so cold lately, so I'm gonna bring this scarf for when I'm on duty because it is freezing outside. But I'm gonna head off, so I'll talk to you guys after I finish work. Got the goods. We just came into IGA to pick up some dessert because we're going to Beck and Cody's house for dinner. So we had to pick up some dessert. Happy with the choice. Happy. Look who we have! We have Chef B with the recipe. Thank you. I'm so excited. Yay! Yum. Thank you so much. Cody, say hello.
How you going?
How you going? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Good morning guys, happy Thursday. I slept in a little bit this morning. We got home from Beck and Cody's kind of late last night, which was so fun. It was so good to see them and I really enjoyed hanging out with them, but it was past my bedtime. So I thought to myself that I would sleep in this morning and I thought I'd just let myself have a morning off doing YouTube work in the morning. But yes, it is Thursday. I am about to walk out the door to go to work. This week has gone so long. I feel like every other week of work I've had has just like flown by, and this week is just dragging on. And I don't know if it's because it's the last week before holidays or what the reason is, but I have 2 days left and I'm so excited for them to be done. I feel like I've already worked a whole week. Like yesterday felt like it should have been a Friday, so it's been a long one. 2 days left. I can do it. I know I can. It hasn't even been a bad week. Like, I don't know why I'm so excited for holidays, and I enjoy my job. I think I'm just really keen to just be able to do things during the week and go op shopping and go to the beach and like do a bunch of things that I've planned to do, and I can't wait. I could fall asleep right here, right now. I honestly had a good day. The end of term in primary schools is so fun because they just play games and like, I don't know, pretty much just play games. Like crafts and puzzles and board games and all sorts of things. However, I don't know, I'm just so exhausted, probably because I didn't sleep much last night, but it was just a long day. They are still finishing up some assessments, so I'm still helping a lot with that mostly. But today I got to play some maths games with some of my kids, and I got to sit in on them doing a drama class, which was so cute. I know they're grade 5, so I feel like they're not that little, but I just think they're so cute and so sweet. At lunchtime though, I was on duty and it was like a mess. Like, the kids were just not behaving today, basically. But I've just been sitting at my computer for the last hour or two getting some editing done, and I just kind of feel a bit dead. So it's almost 5 p.m. and I think I'm just gonna go for a walk, partly to give myself some energy, partly to close the rings on my Apple Watch, partly just to get outside. I always feel like going for a walk gives me a bit more energy and makes me feel like I haven't sat inside all day. But I'm so unmotivated because I have to get changed and take off my makeup, and I just don't want to. Let's go. Update, I put workout clothes on, so we're one step closer. I just want to say this jacket is one of the best thrifted pieces I've ever found. I found it randomly in an op shop like probably a year ago or so, and it was just hanging right on the edge of the rack as if someone had just put it back, like they didn't want it or something, and it was $10, and it's this Adidas jacket that I wear walking and running all the time. It is so warm, and I'm assuming would have cost quite a decent amount brand new. Would you guys be interested in seeing like a thrift finds video, like my best thrifted finds? I definitely want to do some more thrift with me's when I'm on holidays especially, so let me know if you guys are interested in that. I don't know if it's that interesting, but okay, I'm gonna go before the sun sets. Hello friends, I am officially on holidays. I'm so happy. I'm honestly really exhausted. I am ready for a break, but I'm gonna go meet up with my mum. We're gonna have a coffee and maybe go for a walk. We'll just see how we feel. But when I get home from that, I have no plans for the rest of the night, which I'm really excited about because I just need to chill. I just need to chill. We're in Kmart. Georgia wants a foam roller for after her workouts. That's the one you're gonna get?
Yeah, I think so.
I wanted to get some long-sleeved active active like shirts, but they don't have any, like none, which I'm confused about.
Which is so random because it's winter. But
yeah, like I feel like now would be the time because Georgia has one from here that she loves.
From so long ago.
Yeah, it is really long ago.
But I feel like it's also been here.
But I feel like it's one of those like staple pieces that I assumed they would always have, but I guess not. That's okay. Georgia's getting some new socks.
Maybe not.
Well, you already have this pack, don't you?
No, but I don't like
them.
them.
You don't like them. Fun fact, this style of socks, whatever it's called, is Georgia and I's favorite. I'm literally wearing them right now in a different thing, but they're the best like low cut socks. I don't think that's it. But yeah, come get them. Somebody come get them. Celebratory end of term dinner date. I'm so excited. We just got some burgers and chips from a local place and got some drinks. And we're just having a girls' night. I'm so hungry.
Like, vlogging and eat.
Oh,
going on?
Hungry. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
That is so good.
I'm so happy. The good part is like by the time you drive home, they're like
ready to eat.
Because if we ate them when we're driving, then they're too hot.
Hold up. Wait a minute. It's a chap.
We've been sitting on the couch for so long watching gossip out in the background but TikToks, and now we've finally decided to go to bed, and now we're screaming and running around the house like Crazy people throwing chips at each other.
We had a chip fight. Had some leftovers.
Biggest fight we've ever had. Clickbait.
You actually really hurt my feelings.
Good morning guys, happy Saturday. I've had a pretty slow morning, which has been really good. Technically, I guess this is my first day of holidays, and I kind of want to spend the first couple of days mostly just chilling out. I do have a lot of work and things I want to get done over the holidays, but I still want to rest as well. So yeah, today has been a slow day. Went for a huge walk this morning, and I'm about to head over to my parents' house. They just got some new fences installed at their house. They are going through our house and renovating things kind of like bit by bit, and at the moment they're doing new fences, but they want to paint them, and I offered to come and help, so that's what I'm gonna do. I don't know if I'll be able to film anything because it might be like a bit of a privacy thing because it's like the front of their house, I think. I don't actually know which fences they got installed. I'll have to go see. So I'm gonna go do that for a few hours and then come home and do some stuff here. I have some YouTube work I need to get done today, and I'm seeing Liam this afternoon. He has an exam today, so I'll see him after he finishes that. It is many hours later. Yeah, Liam and I are at Ikea. Just having a look, honestly. This is cute. I like how they've hung the like fake greenery. There's a chair I want. That's so nice. This is cool. We're matching today. You like the hanging lights? I'm not actually a huge fan of marble tabletops, but I do love the white and the timber. See, this is what I want our future pantry to look like. Have all these like jars and stuff. We want one day to live in a really cool apartment with a really cool view. I love this bathroom. I feel like well, the plants make it look really cool, but I love how it's just like white and wood. I feel like I'd pick a different backsplash though. Good morning friends, happy Sunday. George and I are truly having a Sunday today. We woke up early together and had a coffee, then we just got ready for the day. This is my outfit. My jumper is from Princess Polly. I have had it for a couple years now, so I don't think it's still available. Then I'm just wearing my Kmart mum jeans and my little Nike Cortez because they have a matching pink color to my jumper. Fun. But we're trying to find a cafe right now to go have breakfast at, so that's the next thing on our list. Oh my goodness. Just got our food. Georgia got an acai bowl. I got French toast, and it came with freaking fairy floss on top. I'm so shocked. I've never had French toast from here before, but I'm very excited. So I definitely forgot to end off this vlog, but I hope you guys enjoyed watching this week in my life. I can't wait to share my next weekly vlog with you guys because it'll be a lot more interesting because I'm on holidays now. But I'll see you guys then. Goodbye.